Grinding and sleep apnea often go hand in hand together. A lot of people think grinding is just stress, and sometimes it is, but often it's your body trying to solve a breathing problem while you're asleep, which I would argue is quite possibly the most stressful thing you could ever face. And for some people, this happens every single night. During sleep, if your airway narrows or becomes obstructed, your nervous system will activate its survival system, and that can trigger a response from your jaw muscles. That's the root cause of clenching and grinding. The important point is this: grinding is often a signal and a symptom and not the diagnosis. If you've been told you grind, if your jaw feels tired in the morning, or you're wearing your teeth down, it's worth looking at sleep and breathing as part of the root cause.